This video tutorial I will explain how to design a system like Netflix. Netflix is an online platform that lets you watch movies and TV shows on demand. To make this happen, Netflix uses a system design that ensures millions of users can stream smoothly at the same time. What does Netflix needs to do? Store movies and TV shows, allow users to browse and search for the content, stream video smoothly even if millions of people are watching, personalize recommendation for each user, handle payments and user accounts. Now we will see key parts of Netflix system design. We can think of Netflix system as a group of interconnected parts working together. First one is content storage. Netflix stores videos in data centers or the cloud, like AWS. These videos are saved in multiple locations worldwide, so they are closer to the users. Next one is content delivery network, which is nothing but CDN. When you watch a movie, the video comes from a CDN, not the central server. A CDN is a network of servers spread across the globe. It helps stream videos faster by delivering them from the nearest server. Next one is user management. User creates accounts, login, and manage their profiles. Netflix keeps this information in a database. Next key part is recommendation system. Netflix uses AI and algorithms to suggest what you might like based on your viewing history. This happens by analyzing big data, like what you have watched, searched for, or rated. Next key part is video streaming. Videos are broken into small chunks and sent to your device one at a time. The system adapts the video quality based on your internet speed. This is called adaptive streaming. Next key part is payment and subscriptions. A secure system handles your payments and keep track of your subscription. How does Netflix handle millions of users? Netflix is scalable, meaning it can handle more users by adding more servers. Netflix uses load balancers to distribute user requests across multiple servers. Netflix monitors its system constantly to fix issues before they affect the users. What happens when you watch a movie? You open a Netflix and log in. Netflix database retrieves your account details and profile. You search for the movie. The recommendation system shows personalized suggestions. When you press play, Netflix checks the nearest CDN server with the movie. The video streams your device in chunks. The adaptive streaming system adjusts the video quality based on your internet speed. Why does Netflix work so well? CDN servers make streaming fast and reliable. Scalability allows Netflix to handle millions of users. AI algorithms are used to personalize your experience. Cloud storage ensure there is enough space for all the movies and TV shows. Netflix is like smart library where movies and shows are stored on servers worldwide. When you request a movie, the movie is fetched from the closest server. Netflix system adapts to give you the best viewing experience based on your device and internet speed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.